Hey everybody, so today we're going to take this ugly fluorescent bathroom fixture, not sure why anybody would ever put that up, and we're going to put up this wonderful fixture that my wife found on Amazon. Okay, so a couple things here. Tripod's not tall enough to give you a straight on view of this as I'm taking it down, but just understand that I've obviously already turned the breaker off and turned the switch off, and now I'm just trying to get the cover off of this this ugly fluorescent fixture in order to take the screws out of the wall and get it down. Okay, so I learned a couple things while doing this. There you can see that there's a white wire, that's neutral. The black wire is the hot, and then green is ground. Also, like I was saying, issues with Amazon stuff. The fixture that's going back up came with absolutely no instructions whatsoever, and a couple other missing items I'll get to in a minute. Okay, so I took the 4 screws out and this came off the wall pretty easy. Took the wire nuts off. You can see there's the neutral, which is white, L for the black line, which is live, and then there's your green ground right there, which comes with a wire connected to it, but I took that off. We just connected the wire, the base copper wire coming out of the wall to the green screw, and that's your ground. Always make sure you're using wire nuts and not tape. Okay, so you can see here then the fixture just screws into the base with 2 screws, one on the bottom, and I'll find it here shortly, one on the top, and then you just tighten them down after you get it level. Okay, so it's up. Took a little over an hour maybe. I'm a little scared of electricity, so I had to make sure of everything I was doing, and look, there it works. Just the only other thing I want to say is when you're ordering fixtures off of Amazon, you got to be careful because, like I said, this one didn't come with any instructions. It's okay, it's 3 wires you got to hook up there, but those 4 glass globes that attach to the end of the fixtures that go around the light bulbs have 3 screws each that are supposed to come with, so we're missing 12 screws. Had to run over to local Lowe's and get that. Love that place, they always have what I need. But so yeah, just be careful about what you're ordering on Amazon and be prepared for it to be missing some stuff if it was repackaged. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll have another video out for you soon.